So let's examine some examples of dividing with fractions. So suppose we have something like this. Say divide by 4. Well, once again, we have the situation where we have a whole number. And what we want to do, convert that whole number into an improper fraction by giving it a denominator of 1. When we have whole numbers, when we're multiplying or dividing, we want to convert them to that improper fraction with the denominator of 1. And now we do that KFC. Keep the first fraction, flip the second fraction, change division, multiplication. And we multiply directly. 2 times 1, 3 times 4. 2 over 12. And we want to reduce this. We can divide top and bottom by 2. What we get? 6. And there we go. Now, suppose we have a mixed number. Suppose we have something like this. Well, we want to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction, just like we did with multiplication. So what we do, we use the formula W n over D equals D, W times D plus N. So in this case, D, the number on the bottom, is 4. W times D plus N. Now that we've turned this into an improper fraction, we can go back to the division. So it's 1/3 divided by 23/4. And we do KFC. Keep the first fraction. Flip the second one. Change division to multiplication. So multiplying directly, 1 times 4 over 3 times 23. Now, what you can do at this point is you can ask yourself, is this going to turn into a fraction that's going to reduce? And we can break this down into 2 times 2 for the 4. 3 times 23. 23 is a prime number. It doesn't break down into a product of other whole numbers except for 23 and 1, and we don't count that. There's nothing that's going to cancel here. So the answer is going to be 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 23, 69. That's it. Now, suppose you have this. Three and 1/2 divided by 5. Well, whole number, numerator, denominator. We're going to convert this to an improper fraction. W times D plus N is the formula. And this is just the formula we can use. And then now once we have this formula memorized, we can plug in the numbers. So the D is 2, W times D plus N, the top number. Get 7/2. So this will become 7/2. Now we still need to convert that to an improper fraction. You get 7/2 divided by 5, and again, we put a 1 underneath it. So now it's an improper fraction. And again, because 5 divided by 1, remember fractions are division, so this is 5 divided by 1 is still 5. We do KFC. Change this to multiplication. Multiply directly. And we get 7 tens. And that's our answer. So that's an introduction to dividing with fractions. Any questions, let me know.